Hello, good morning. Welcome to ASH Little Topper. In this video, let's get into the existing visual journey exploring Earth's magnificent landforms. From towering mountains to vast canyons, our planet is home to a diverse range of geological features. We are going to learn about Earth's landforms. So, what is landform? And describe about types of Earth's landforms. How to identify the different landforms of the Earth. List various types of Earth's landforms. What is called a landform? Landform is a naturally formed feature on the Earth's surface. They come in all sizes and shapes, each with their own distinct characteristics. The scientific study of landforms is known as geomorphology. Let's discover the beauty of the earth with different types of landforms. Mountain. Mountain is a geological formation that rises at least 1,000 feet high above its surroundings. It usually has steep slopes. The formation of mountain ranges is called as orogeny. Next is hills. Hills are elevated landforms that rise above the surrounding terrain. Yet they are not as huge as mountains. Hills rises up less than 300 meters. It is smaller than the mountain. Plain. Plains are the major landforms on the earth. A plain is a broad area of relatively flat land. It is used for agriculture. Next is plateau. A flat, elevated landform that rises higher than the surrounding terrain. Plateaus can be formed by the upward movement of the Earth's crust. It can also be formed by small volcanic eruptions. Valley. Valleys are commonly located between hills or mountains. Most valleys are formed by the erosion of the land surface by rivers or stream over a very long period. Canyon. Canyons are formed when rivers cut through rock, creating a narrow and deep valley. These geological formations come in different sizes, ranging from small to vast trenches. Next is island. Island are defined as areas of land surrounded by water, which can be found in rivers, lakes, or mostly in the ocean. A group of islands is called an archipelago. Ocean. The ocean is a huge body of salt water that covers about 71% of Earth's surface. It is also called large sea areas. There are five oceans in the world. Next is volcano. It is an opening in the Earth's crust. It allows hot gases and molten rock from deep inside to rise to the surface. The last is waterfalls. A waterfall is any point in a river or stream where water flows over a vertical drop or a series of steep drops. Or a waterfall is a place in a river where water spills suddenly downwards. We hope you enjoyed the sights, beauty, and the wonders of our planet. Let's catch up in our next video. Thank you.